The Performance Manufacturing Center has begun production of the limited edition 2022 Acura NSX Type S. The NSX Type S made its global debut during the 2021 Monterey Car Week, immediately establishing itself as Acura's performance halo and taking the brand's commitment to precision-crafted performance to a new level. With a total production run of 350 units, every NSX Type S was quickly reserved when pre-orders opened last August. PMC will finish production of the limited-run supercar this year. The first two NSX Type S models built at the PMC were painted in the facility's exclusive Gotham Gray matte paint finish. This matte metallic finish requires new handling and shipping techniques at the PMC to ensure it is fully protected during transport to Acura dealers. This includes a new protective film applied to the car and a new thicker and softer body covering for transportation. In addition, special training is being provided to Acura dealers to pass along instructions for proper care to owners. Instantly recognizable by its distinctive and more aggressive front and rear styling, the Acura NSX Type S also features unique 5-spoke wheels, stickier Pirelli P0 tires, a retuned adaptive damper system, Type S decals, and a standard carbon fiber roof. Under its available carbon fiber engine cover is Acura's most powerful production drivetrain ever, an updated version of the supercar's twin turbocharged V6 and 3-motor hybrid system that produces 600 horsepower and 492 pounds-foot of torque. The supercar's 9-speed DCT and revolutionary torque vectoring sport hybrid super handling all-wheel drive, SHAWD registered, also are retuned to maximize performance. An available lightweight package includes carbon ceramic brakes, carbon fiber engine cover, and carbon fiber interior package, reducing total curb weight by nearly 58 pounds.